Hello guys. Good afternoon Canada, good morning Philippines. Yesterday I didn't do like proper routine yesterday because I don't have enough sleep. So I just do it mostly treadmill, bike, and a little bit basketball shoot yesterday. While today we're gonna do a basic tricep and bicep together for a couple days. We did a single routine, so we'll bring that one both together. Just all basic today, guys. See, we start with a standing. This like a 22 pounder, guys. This one, okay. One set is done. Make sure you do the opposite routine. If you do bicep, do tricep. And don't do any routine that if you're not done with your routine, what you're doing. Okay, so relax for a bit. Don't forget to breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Okay. Tricep, guys, is a lot of definition. You can use ropes, dumbbells, barbells, equipment. Okay. And please, guys, don't rush in. Just step by step, slowly but surely. Okay. So, I'm gonna do the okay, one set and follow the other one. It's not about the heavy tools that you use, guys. It's about the proper proper form and technique. That's the most important thing, guys. Kasi I just use 25 and 22s and 17, guys. See this muscle engaging over? That's the tricep. Okay. Relax for a bit and drink water. Yeah, gym is a bit busy again, guys. See? And one thing though, don't forget to do stretching and warm up. Okay, we're gonna do the seated one, guys. Now we're using 25s. Okay, another set is done and one more coming. If you're new at the gym, make sure ask the trainer on the structure. Yeah, it's better to be safe than sorry, guys. It's done. Probably we do the last routine, the standing bicep, guys. We'll use probably 22s. Yeah, that's the most basic common routine, guys. Bicep and tricep routine. Make sure you finish routine first. You don't do any routine if you're not done with your bicep or tricep routine. Okay, one more. Pardon the delays, guys. There's the bar. Okay, probably that's it for the afternoon. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Peace out.